Hold up. Listen up. So this video that I have for you today is about curly hair. Over 60% of the world's population has curly hair, but somehow it is in our minds to always think that straight hair is the only good hair that's out there. But scientists have proven that curly hair led to the development of the human brain. So you can take time to read what the New York Post posted the other day and listen to this video real quick.
Curly hair is not just pretty or fun, but it can also cool down your body temperature. As ironic as it may seem, tightly wound curly hair has actually been found to help keep one's head stay cool when the sun is overhead. Tightly curled hair has always been seen as thick or been compared to wool, which might have initiated the assumption that it traps heat. However, a new study has revealed how early humans kept their bodies from heating up and conserved water by studying the role that human hair textures play in thermoregulation. The study was conducted by a team of researchers from the US, the UK, and Australia, as they wanted to look more closely into the effects of humans having an almost hairless body but a scalp covered with hair. Their findings have been published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences on 6th June. Their work suggests that the hair on our heads developed as a mechanism to minimize the heat absorbed from sun radiation, keeping us cool without requiring the body to use any extra resources. This most likely proved an evolutionary benefit to early humans by allowing human brains to develop and grow. The researchers used thermal mannequins, or human body forms, which are heated where the surface can be heated so to simulate the heat transfer between humans and the environment. And they also used human hair wigs in this study. The scientists configured the mannequin to maintain a constant surface temperature of 35 degrees Celsius, which is comparable to the typical skin surface temperature, and placed it in a temperature and humidity controlled wind tunnel. They conducted their experiments by creating an ambient temperature of 30 degrees Celsius heat and 60% relative humidity in order to replicate environments in equatorial Africa. Then, they simulated solar radiation by directing 2 lamps onto the mannequins and assessed it under 4 different hair conditions: no hair, straight hair, moderately curly hair, and tightly curly hair. The wigs used in the experiment were all black human hair of Chinese origin. The scientists also calculated heat loss at various wind speeds and after wetting the scalp to simulate sweating. According to the researchers, sweating works in tandem with a seemingly hairless body to create a highly effective cooling system. But sweating also increases the need for fluid replacement and thus can lead to dehydration. Therefore, scalp hair may have offered significant additional benefits to a person. And tightly curly hair does the best job because it does not lay flat on the scalp and therefore increases the distance between the surface of the hair and the surface of the scalp. The author suggests that scalp hair is essentially a product of evolution. The brain is sensitive to heat and it generates heat as it grows, and too much of it can even lead to stroke. While sweating is helpful to regulate body temperature, it results in lost water and electrolytes from the body, which is probably why the human body developed scalp hair, suggest the researchers.
A few moments later.
Thanks for having time to watch. The link to this video, the original video, will be right in my description. You can go out and check out her channel.